Look at that shit. That's it, but I don't know how to get the fuck in that bitch.
Look at there's all kinds of people out there running around in there.
Where? Oh, look. Damn, they got the cement. Why they had to fence the wall off? That's fucked up.
Which way do I turn?
Millbury Correctional Bus, right?
We're here already?
What you mean already? That was like an hours and hours on hour drive.
We're here.
I'm about to jump the fence and just look at him. I get shot.
Right across the street from the prison.
That'd be dope as hell. No, correctional facilities right there. I'm like, just jump the fence, bro. I'll be waiting outside. Let's get the orange. Damn, all them big niggas in there.
Straight houses right across the street from the prison.
Turning in?
Yeah, we got to. Notice.
This is
No
where
alcoholic beverages, weapons. Okay.
Oh, he's better have them.
What a blunt.
Hey, this is from last time.
Damn, I gotta blood.
Right here, posted. Check the blunt. Where's the blunt? How's the blunt?
It's in the muncho bag or something.
I know.
What?
Most
Which way do I go?
faculty.
I think you just go through the front door right here.
I don't think you do.
Yeah, Lex, we gotta go see. That's the hospital. Oh my goodness. That's the hospital.
Look at the hospital. That looks like a motherfucking.
That means they
It
get
said no
their
trespassing.
That's
Where?
their parking that way.
Where?
Staff and visitor parking that way. Them niggas don't push. Look at they got a
Where?
hospital right there.
That's I can't. Fuck that. That's public. First Amendment, motherfuckers. What up, bro?
They're looking at you.
That's some fucked up
Doing a
shit.
documentary, motherfucker.
Documentary on how they do my nigga.
Visitor entry.
Right there. Damn, look at that
Drop us
Bible.
off right
Yeah.
here and,
So where's
Right here, no, we walked through there. Visitor entry. Why you acting stupid?
right there?
Stevie, you ain't even staying here. You might as well just drop
He
us
might
off.
as well come in with us so he can see, like, you know.
Oh,
He's like, well, I'm gonna go move the car because I think I'm not right.
no, we good.